Hi, this is a Colt 1911 Target airsoft gun. It's a very good airsoft gun. Shoots about 50 feet, 30 feet if you want it to be right on dot. Good gun. It's an all plastic gun. Plastic mag. It'll hold about 12 bullets, so it's pretty good. You got the trigger. You put the clip down here, slide it in. Make sure it's in there good because it will fall out. You've got an orange tip. Right here is about 7 inches long, 8 inches. Sights are pretty good. Don't shoot this very close range at somebody's face. It'll leave a welt. So, good gun, definitely. It's good for snipers, definitely, for a secondary rifle or sniper rifle. If you're gonna be a sniper, this is good for your secondary. So, good gun. Half of the time, whenever I shoot it, I hit the people in wars, so good gun. You've got a safety right here, right there, so good. It's good safety. So that's it. Good gun. You can get it at Hobbytron, Amazon, places like that. So I definitely recommend getting this. Thank you.